Hi, boys and girls. We continue our online work, and the topic of our lesson is past simple and past continuous. Оба эти времени прошедшие, но мы с вами разберем сегодня, в каком случае мы употребляем past simple, а в каком случае мы употребляем past continuous. Let's look at this example. He formed company in 1975. Negative. He didn't form company in 1975. Did he form company in 1975? He went to the shop yesterday. He didn't go to the shop yesterday. Did he go to the shop yesterday? He was at the shop yesterday. He wasn't at the shop yesterday. Was he at the shop yesterday? Past continuous. I was singing at 5 yesterday. We were dancing at 5 yesterday. He wasn't reading a book at 5 yesterday. They weren't watching TV at 5 yesterday. Was she playing the piano at 5 yesterday? Were you sleeping at 11 yesterday? Past simple употребляют, когда описывают законченные действия в прошедшем, в прошлом. We moved to London last year. Мы переехали в Лондон в прошлом году. Это законченное, свершившееся действие. I read a book yesterday. Я прочел книгу вчера. He asked me a question. Он задал мне вопрос. Past continuous употребляют, когда описывают длительное действие, произошедшее в определенное время в прошлом. At 5 yesterday he was reading. We were riding bikes at 3 yesterday. Три способа задать время для past continuous. Задать точное время в прошлом. At 1 o'clock we were sunbathing. Совместить два длительных действия в прошлом. While I was washing up, he was watching TV. Совместить длительное действие в прошлом с кратковременным действием. I was sleeping when the rain started. Now please open your students' books. Open your students' books on page 12. Let's look at this table. Past simple. I got up at 6 a.m. We didn't use the internet for my project. Past continuous. We were checking our herd of reindeer. Between 8 a.m. and midday I was studying. Past simple and past continuous. When I got to school, my classmates were sweeping the classroom. Here we can see finished action, I got to school, and here we can see the action in progress, continuing action. We were sweeping the classroom. While I was helping, I sent some text to my friends. Okay, we continue. Watch out. Some verbs, for example, know, understand, like, love, want, have, here, are stative verbs. They don't usually take the continuous tense. Некоторые глаголы употребляются только в past simple. Они не употребляются в continuous. Это такие глаголы, как know, знать, understand, понимать, like, нравится, love, любить, want, хотеть, have, иметь, hear, слышать, and others, а также некоторые другие. So, study the grammar table and choose the correct option to complete the rules. We use past simple for completed action in the past. We use past continuous to describe a continuing situation in the past. We usually use past simple after when and the past continuous after while. Мы употребляем past simple, чтобы выразить законченное действие в прошлом. Мы употребляем past continuous, чтобы показать длительную ситуацию в прошлом. Past simple употребляется после слова when, а past continuous после слова while. Exercise 2. Упражнение номер 2. Разбираем его вместе. Complete the text with the correct form of the verbs. Дополните текст, употребляя глагол в правильной форме. Наша задача выбрать Past simple or past continuous. Hi Ted, I didn't have a good day yesterday. First, I didn't hear my alarm clock, so I slept until 8 o'clock. Then, while I was eating breakfast, I dropped my plate on the floor and broke it. It was very late for my first class. When I went into the classroom, the teacher was talking to everyone about their homework. My classmates were writing lots of notes, but I didn't have my notebook. It was in my bag, and my bag was still at home. So the teacher shouted at me because I was late and he gave me extra homework. What about you? Did you have a good day yesterday, Sam? The next. Exercise 3. Choose the correct option, past simple or past continuous. Last weekend, my brother and I went for a bike ride. We took a train to Oxford and then we rode our bikes to Woodstock. While we were riding along the road, we saw a car crash. We stopped and called for an ambulance. When the ambulance arrived, the drivers were sitting on the pavement and they were arguing about the accident. Exercise 4. Make sentences. Let's look at the example. While we were watching TV, we heard a strange sound. Number 2. When you phoned, I was doing my homework. Number 3. I didn't hear the doorbell because I was listening to my MP3 player. I saw a strange cat in the garden while I was cleaning the car. She dropped a plate while she was doing the washing up. They were playing football when a helicopter landed on the beach. Number 5. What about you? In pairs, ask and answer the questions. Please write the answers in your exercise books. So, boys and girls, your home task for the next lesson will be Pupils Book, page 12, Workbook, page 10. And, of course, learn the rule when do we use the past simple and when do we use the past continuous. Thank you for your attention. Our lesson is over. See you soon. Bye.